Hi there YouTube, and welcome to my video, which is giving you a lesson on an introduction to vectors. Vectors are relatively simple, to be honest. Vectors are how you move from one place to another. So say I was going to draw a straight line from point, see that right? Yep. From point A to point B. So a vector would basically be instructing you to move from this point to this point. So a vector would be written like this: AB, and then the direction. So you're moving from A to B. So effectively this is all a vector is. And like with most things in maths, you can give it an algebraic way. So you can say AB is X. So what that is saying is whenever you're moving from AB, you can just represent the value as X. Then you can add some extra points in. So you could say you wanted to move to C. So B to C, remember it's this direction, so only in this direction is that B to C. That's worth Y. So say we wanted to get from A to B to C, we could write out both of these vectors and add them together. However, we're just going to write A to C equals X plus Y. And you can see this is true. So first of all you add the vector A. So you are going from A to B, and then Y you're going from B to C. And if you've done algebra before in the past, and well any maths really, you'll realise that Y plus X is the same as X plus Y. They're going to both add the same. 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. And you can see this is true. So for the relatively similar line or direction, you can see B to C, I do Y, so point there, and then A to B, I will arrive at the same point. So this algebraic expression is very useful for vectors, because say I wanted to find out what the vector was for A to C. I mean, say I got this problem. Say I got the shape here. I just draw the Y in a better location. Say I got this problem here, and it asked me find the vector from A to C. Actually, I'll change the question. Find the vector from C to A. So how do I do this? Well, it's just reverse, isn't it? I mean, if I wanted to go from B to A, it would be the reverse. So how do I get from C to A? Well, what I do is I go along the negative Y, because remember, Y is equal to B to C, but actually I'm going from C to B, so it's going to be negative. It's going to be, the arrow here is going to be in a different direction. So my journey, first of all, is going to be negative Y. And then I go from B to A. And this again is going to be negative because I'm going in a different direction. So, here's my answer. Y, the journey from, what's the vector for C to A? Well, it's minus Y minus X. So you can write this here. Your starting position, C. Your finishing position A. And I'm going from C to A. And that is the same as saying minus Y minus X. So essentially, just to recap, the vector is just giving you, I mean, I should have said this at the start, but it's giving you angle. So as you can see, that angle here is 0 degrees, and you're going this amount of distance. So the x incorporates both the angle and the distance because it's a vector. And you can see here it's giving you a, say, 80-70 degree angle and going this amount of distance. And then when you just flip y, when you give y a minus value, it will be going in the opposite direction, the opposite angle. So as you can imagine, this goes straight, so the opposite angle and the opposite distance. And then you can add the vectors up to create a path of which you desire. So be sure to watch lesson 2, because I go into more detail about solving more complex problems. If you have any comments or would like to leave some feedback, please give me a message or write a comment in the video. And if this helped you learn, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.